Hello and welcome to Cleaning the EC Way, where we talk about everything cleaning. Today, I'm going to be going over a few cleaning items that Cody and I regret buying. If you have not already, do us a huge favor and subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and make sure you share it to anyone you think would enjoy it, because that's going to help our channel out greatly. And now on to that video. This green stuff. For glass shower doors, this stuff worked great. The thing is, when I was being treated with chemo and radiation, I was in so much pain that I was not able to clean my house for over 2 months. When I finally started feeling better enough to clean, well, my house was a wreck. My toilets were stained, all my showers had hard water spots that needed to be scrubbed, and at this point, I was not cleaning homes for a living, and I was not as knowledgeable with what to use and what to avoid. Well, I made the mistake of buying something that I would only need to use one time on my shower door. And well, the label said it could be used in toilets. Sure, after I first used it on my toilet, they looked amazing, but that was short-lived. My toilets are now forever stained, and that is because toilets are made of either porcelain or ceramic. Both types have a glaze that is fired on to protect the ceramic or porcelain. Using something as abrasive as this product took that off, leaving the small pores open to absorb and hold on to things. So my toilets are now off-white to light brown at the bottom until they are replaced. After seeing so many people say how much they love a microfiber rag, I decided to give it a try. When cleaning something with a lot of dust and hair, what I noticed is that the rag would just move it around and it would not help remove it. When cleaning a mirror, I noticed it would leave behind streaks and fuzz. Not only did I notice that cleaning with a microfiber rag took longer because it would not help to remove anything other than liquid, you also have to be careful when washing them. When I'm washing my rags, I don't want to treat it like my favorite shirt. I want to throw it in on the highest heat level and not worry if I'm washing more than just a microfiber rag. I also want to just throw it in my dryer on the highest heat level. What we both love is a bar mop rag, and our favorite is one from Sam's Club. A Shark stick vacuum. I was excited for this lightweight stick vacuum. It was replacing my broom. I was using it to vacuum things. My upright vacuum was a bit harder to use when cleaning. I loved it. I had been following the instructions for cleaning the filter and any upkeep the vacuum needed. And after 6 months, I noticed it was not really cleaning my floors when using it. I tried cleaning it again, and still the suction was just not there. I threw it in my garage and forgot about it. So after this, I decided I would give my money to my personal favorite company, the Dyson company. I know that there are a lot of people who don't like Dyson, but out of all the vacuums I have ever used, they are, in my opinion, the most trustworthy I have used to date. Drill cleaning attachments. In our opinion, they do not clean better than just a regular brush. They take longer to use because they are not easy to maneuver, and they take up unnecessary room for storage. You also run the risk of ruining the drill because they actually splash back a lot of moisture. An upright vacuum and an edge vacuum that are separate. Because we have to move our vacuum from home to car to home, we don't want a big, heavy vacuum. We decided that buying the two separate vacuums would be beneficial. Nope. Having a vacuum that has the ability to edge vacuum is so much easier. We are moving the vacuum along and notice something under the couch or that the carpet needs to be edge vacuumed. And what we have to do is stop, get the edge vacuum, put it together and vacuum. Then we have to put it away. Having an all-in-one vacuum actually saves on time and makes it so you are more eager to use that edge option, ensuring your house is fully cleaned.